The continental currency dollar, also called the Fugio dollar or Franklin dollar, was the very first United States pattern coin, designed in 1776 by Benjamin Franklin. A sundial with the motto Fugio, I flee or I fly, and mind your business. A rebus meaning time flies, so mind your business. Reverse. 13 linked chain rings with the motto We Are One and American Congress. Estimated mintage was around 6,000 pieces in pewter and some in brass or silver, made possibly in New York. Only about 100 pewter examples survive, with very few in silver. Designed by Benjamin Franklin, the obverse features a sun and sundial with the motto Fugio, mind your business. The reverse shows 13 linked rings and the phrase We Are One, symbolizing unity among the colonies. Production and rarity. Approximately 6,000 were minted, likely in pewter, with some in brass or silver, possibly not officially authorized by Congress. Today, only about 100 survive, making them extremely rare. Silver examples have commanded over $1 million at auction. Part of the Eisenhower Dollar series, 1971 to 1978. The 1972 coin depicts President Eisenhower on the obverse, and an eagle landing on the moon with the Liberty Bell in the reverse, an homage to Apollo 11. Philadelphia, no mint mark 75, 890, 000 struck. Denver, D92, 548, 511 struck. San Francisco proof / silverclad, S2, 193, 056. Targeted collectors. Type 1. Original reverse design. Type 2. Sharper earth detail. Collectors prize this due to its clearer continental outlines. Circulation strikes, P and D common. Higher grades, MS65+, are scarce due to weak minting and wear. Type 2 examples can command premiums for their clarity and detail. Proof in silver issues, S mint mark. Notably more collectible due to lower mintage and silver content. Example, MS66 Type 1 sold for up to $7,475. Type 2 and MS66 fetched $14,400. Clip planchet error. Value ranges roughly $40 to $400 depending on severity. Double die error. A misstruck doubled image can boost the value significantly. Toning and cameo contrasts in proofs may further enhance desirability. Comparative mintage summary, 1972 Eisenhower dollars. Mint/issue type mintage circulation / collector use. Philadelphia, no mint mark, 75.9 million common circulating coin. Denver D, 92.5 million common circulating coin. San Francisco S, uncirculated 2.19 million collector silverclad issue. Proof silver 1972 S, 1.81 million collector brown Ike proofs. Circulation versus uncirculated and collector value. Circulation P, D widespread usage, especially in casinos. Most are easy to find, scarce only in pristine condition, MS65+. Uncirculated / silver proof. S more valuable due to limited minting and collector demand. Errors and scarce varieties. Stand out for numismatic value, especially sharp design Type 2 coins. From 1776 to 1972, U.S. dollar coins carry deep historical significance. From Franklin's unity symbols to Eisenhower modern symbolism. The 1776 Continental Dollar is exceptionally rare and valuable collector-worthy. The 1972 Eisenhower Liberty Bell dollars were mass-produced and commonly circulated, but today's collector interest lies in the low mintage proofs, silverclad versions, and rare varieties like Type 2 or error striking. Though commonly referred to as Liberty $1 coins, the 1972 version officially honors President Dwight D. Eisenhower and features his portrait on the obverse and an Apollo 11 inspired lunar-era eagle on the reverse. Philadelphia, Type 1, 2, 3 clad. All three types have the same mintage estimate of 75.89 million. Type 1, the most common, features a flattened earth, Florida pointing southeast, islands to southeast. Type 2, rarest Florida, appears triangular, Caribbean islands fainter. This die was only intended for silver proofs, but used mid-year at Philadelphia. Type 3, more accurate geography with 2 islands south of Florida, used from September 1972 onward. Denver, demint mark, clad only, mintage, 92.55 million. San Francisco S mint mark, 40% silver, blue uncirculated, brown proof. Silver-clad collector issues. Blue Ikes, uncirculated, 2.19 million. Brown Ikes, proof 1.81 million. Clad coins, Philadelphia and Denver outer 75% copper, 25% nickel. Core pure copper. Weight 22.68 G, 38.1 millimeters diameter. Reeded edge. Silver-clad S mint 40% silver with copper. Weight 24.59 G. Obverse details. Dar in Liberty lacks a serif peg leg on all 1972S coins and some clad varieties. 3. Market value by type and condition. Values vary widely depending on type and grade. Philadelphia clad. Type 1 mint state MS can range from $5 to $11,500. MS66 record. $7,475. Type 2. Much rarer. MS values $90 up to $10,500. Record sale $14 for 100. Type 3. Typically $21 to $6,000. High grade sale $5, $880. MS examples $5 average. Top grades MS67 plus. Up to $15, 000. Record $13,200. San Francisco silverclad. Uncirculated blue $18, MS63. Proof, brown $10, $12, PR65. General note. Many Eisenhower dollars from 1971 to 72 have poor strikes or abrasions bag marks due to subpar die quality and handling. These coins were intended for everyday use and especially casinos. Thus many enter circulation and acquired wear. That makes finding pristine, high-grade pieces quite valuable, especially for unknown rarities like Type 2. Completing a full high-grade set can be challenging and costly. The Type 2 Philadelphia variant stands out due to its rarity and incorrect die usage, a collector's favorite. Peg leg, obverse variations also generate interest, especially on clad versus silver coins. Silver strikes tend to attract attention due to their metal content and proof-like appearance. Collectors often stress using the edge to determine composition and checking mint marks carefully. If the rim is fully metallic silver color, it is silver. If partly copper color, it is copper nickel clad. Also, maintain awareness. Many assume these coins are worth just face value, but special variants like Type 2 are a $50 coin minimum, regardless of condition. Variant mintage composition, typical MS value highlight note. Type 1 Philadelphia clad, 75.9 M copper. Nickel clad $5 to $11,500, MS66, common variant. Type 2 Philadelphia clad, 75.9 M, rare die, copper, nickel clad $90 to $10,500, record $14,400, rarest, most prized. Type 3 Philadelphia clad, 75.9 M copper. Nickel clad $21 to $6,000, frequently seen from late 1972. Denver demint, clad 92.55 M copper. Nickel clad $5, $15, 000, MS67 plus. High grade specimens rare. San Francisco S UNC blue, 2.19 M 40% silver clad UNC, $18 MS63. Collector issue, moderate value. San Francisco S proof brown, 1.81 M 40% silver clad proof, $10, $12, PR65. Proof presentation, modest premium. The 1972 Eisenhower Liberty Dollar is intrinsically rare, but several subtle variants, especially Type 2 and mint-specific issues, can command significant premiums. Condition is king. Pristine, certified pieces are where the real value lies. 1. Check the reverse for type I/2/3. 2. Determine mint mark none D or S. 3. Inspect the edge color for silver versus clad. 4. Have high-grade pieces authenticated and graded by specialists.